Ready. Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome to Show Me Tint. I'm Randy. I'm going to show you what's going on in the shop today. We are busy. Let me just tell you what's cracking. Paint protection, off chart. Guys, how many jobs we got? Like 1, 2, 6? 6 at least. Like we got a lot. We got a lot going on. We got this going out. We just found a piece of paint protection we didn't like on the Z06. So of course we're behind. We got to take this piece off. We got to redo it. We can't sacrifice quality for time. So we'll just get a little further behind. No big deal. No big deal. You know what I mean? You got to wait for it. You know what I mean? Like a restaurant, you got a busy line outside. You already know what's happening. It's busy inside. This thing's cracking. We really like this car. You know, black Z06, I feel like it was made for me, man. Look at this thing. Yeah, it's perfect for me. I love this. I got a black Z06. Mine's a 19 C7. This is C8. If you haven't seen the other one we just did, we did a white one. Now we got a black one. The white one's outside, actually. So pop on that for a second. This truck is in for the works. We've got to like completely paint correct it. We pulled the chrome delete. We did it different than chrome delete. We pulled the chrome badge off. We're putting black PPF on the rockers. This is that part we call the rockers right here. We got to like fix this thing up. This thing will be glossy Rossi in a few days. I hope so, because we are packed. I got one back here we're working on, right? This cad came in, he got a little bit of damage on the fender. He tried to be weird and say just want to do one fender. I said no, do both fenders. No big deal. The hood, as we did previously. He got hit by something in this fender that he didn't do, and we had to like go in with some touch-up paint, fix it, and then we address the flare too, place both those. That's an easy job today. I've got so much work, dude. I'm telling you right now, if you can do paint protection, call me. Come help me. I am busy. Like, I don't know if you other shops are out there packed rack. We're packed. Like, when I'm telling you we're packed, oh my God, we're packed. This thing, full wrap with camo, this is sick. Tell me it's not sick. Wait till this is done. Tune in for when it's done. It's gonna be cool. You got matte black going up. Imagine this, matte black, all the way up, all the way back. Matte camo, going sick. Did the trim. Hang on, let me show you the trim. Well, I always do a little extra stuff, like you're not ready for it. So like this was just, a lot of shops would just leave this regular gloss. No, we made it matte too. We want the whole theme to match. We don't skip steps, but we're always behind. Always behind. I got this one, I don't know where it is. I think it's down in the other shop. The Leno replica one I wanted to show you. You want to check that out? You got time to see it? All right, let's go check. Oh my God, I got hung up there. I'll need that. All right, let's go guys. Come on, let me show you this real quick. My camera guy's got something to do. He's got a big important meeting, so we gotta hustle. Go see the girls up front. How's Lauren?
Great.
Yeah, she's killing it. She's been on top of it lately. That's my son Maverick. He's eating a cheeseburger. What up, dude? He's got his own YouTube channel. We got stuff going on all day. Look at this right here. We're wrapping. Oh my God. Can you believe it? We're wrapping that. That's gonna be green. So hot. Such a cool car. It's gonna be sick. That's my Z06 right there. My old girl. Drug her out in the daylight today. There's another Z06. That's like the Z06 parking. Show me vets. That Bronco is in for a full paint protection wrap. Get that, right? I do everything in twos. I got 2 Z06s. And I got 2 Broncos. I don't play around. I mean, I play around, but not with my work. The guy that brought this, I said, dude, be careful. Look at that. Come on, man, be careful. Pull a little too close. My guys are making big splashes with their Mustangs in town. I don't know if we got this page called 417 Car Spotters. And dude, my 2 dudes rolled up in their Mustangs and people are just having a heyday with the multicolored Mustangs. We got a little too busy for them to finish wrapping them. So we've been having a lot of fun with that. I want you to see this. This is going to be super cool, I think. I like to think so anyway. You guys need something to do? This right here is, we just got the wheels back from powder coat. They're white. That was not a factory deal. We're going to put a white pinstripe in this body line. That's what you guys can work on for me. This pinstripe. We made the grill white. I don't know where it is. Is it in here? No. I see a lot of my tools. That's always scary. So we're going to do a white pinstripe through here. Imagine white pinstripe, white grill, white letters coming out of it. It's gonna be cracked, packed. It's gonna be sick. We're gonna wrap the whole thing in paint protection film and we're gonna send it out the door. So they came in with this idea. They were like, hey man, we just brought this Bronco. I saw like Leno had one that he did white and blue and I want it to be just like that one. They showed me a pic of it. I said, dude, I got you. Just bring it on in. You can do that all right here? And I said, yeah, one stop. Come on. All I need is one thing from you, checkbook, and you'll be fine. We knocked it out for him. There should be a wheel here. There's definitely a wheel missing right now. We'll find it, surely. If not, we'll put another one on there. So yeah, we got guys working. What are you guys doing? Clock back in. So I was telling them that these are two guys, these are Mustang brothers that they caught on 417 Car Spotters, and they were just like, are those cars wrecked? What happened? We don't know. And they're actually just learning to wrap their cars, and it's super sick. That I think they're rocking it, except for Lewis like ripped his front bumper off or something. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. At the drag strip though?
Well, first it was an armadillo, and then we went to the drag strip and it just flew off.
It just flew off at the drag strip. They weren't driving recklessly. It just flew.
Yeah, we did. He's got pictures of, I think his girl got pictures of us both under there trying to zip tie it together.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so they'll just be getting wild, you know, doing car stuff. You guys get back to work. What are you doing?
Talking to you.
Okay, so clean up, and then I'm going to have you do a white pinstripe on that Bronco. They're probably doing some tint down here, I imagine. So let's see what's cracking. See that part is supposed to have a part on there. Look at the other one. See Mustang there and then there. One of these is not like the other. Something's missing. Car stuff. We've been doing car things. Well, I hope you guys are having a good day, man. I'm telling you I am. And what I need is about 50 more workers. I got something cool planned for that house over there. It's actually gonna be pretty cool. I've just been talking about it. And it's gonna be sick. We're gonna try to break the internet. Do something wild. I'm pretty excited about it. Let's see what's happening. All right, guys, let's slide in on them. We'll say hi to the crew. See today, Monday, we have a short staff. A lot of guys work Saturdays. They alternate Monday off. So Trey's in here working by himself, holding it down.
Oh, yeah.
He's getting it. He's been busting it all morning. You know what I mean? Honestly, like, he works way better by himself. The other guys aren't here to distract him. You know what I mean? He just stays on it. You know, it's like when then they start hanging out and having too much fun together. I don't like that. We need to make a video of them the way that you guys were doing with the leaf blower. Dude, I'm not even kidding you. We'll do that, because I'm like looking at my phone in the morning, driving to work. See how the guys are doing. They are doing spins on the chair, holding a leaf blower. Do not let these guys slow down. I'm telling you, give them 1 minute off, they start goofing off. One guy like ate it and flipped over in the other room. We'll show you, it'll be sick. We'll do it for camera. Let's do it tomorrow. Unless you want to do it right now. Tomorrow. I got a leaf blower. So we got this Mustang wrapped up here. You've seen it like in a couple episodes. Guy said I'm going to try to find a bumper. Still can't find it. So it's just chilling. We wrapped it. I still haven't been paid all the way. No big deal. But he has stopped by and gave me a little money here and there. But they're all wrapped. We're just chilling on it. Ain't no hurry. We do have some more projects coming in. We have a lot of wild stuff coming down the pipes. I'm actually doing something to the Show Me van too. That's going to be sick. I've been building that up in my mind. So it's going to be cool. I'm going to make it sick. It's gonna be something you ain't seen before. Promise you that. If we're gonna wrap our stuff, it's gotta be just off the chain wild, you know? Except for my car. I don't know what I wanna do to it. I want somebody to give me an idea of what to wrap my car in. That'd be sick. Slow down, dummy. I gotta watch him. I'm telling you right now.
Everything's unlocked, man. You know I got it.
Oh yeah, that's the one thing I know. You got it. That's the one I always think of. Hunter and got it. Yeah, Hunter and got it. Hunter's got me in trouble probably. Guys, I'm gonna go help some PPF. I'm gonna be wrapping this Bronco. I'm gonna be wrapping another Bronco. I'm gonna try to outdo my guys. I'm gonna put them on a little competition, lay some cash on the line, see who can beat who, and see if we can bust some stuff out. So tune in, I'll show you some stuff. We're gonna wrap some stuff up here at Show Me Tint. So thanks for checking it out. Please like and subscribe it. Really helps our little channel out. Drop us a little like, drop us a little follow. Tune in for some more how-tos. We're gonna be dropping those out. So thank you guys very much, I appreciate it. Let's go.